Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Ampere. They're kind enough to supply me with all the products in this video. And one thing I have to mention is that their shipping is amazing. If you order it, it'll probably be delivered in the next 2 days. The first product they sent me was a traveling case. This is a really high quality traveling case and is perfect for carrying everything you need to stay at full charge and ready for the day ahead. The second product they sent me is the Unravel. This is a lifesaver when it comes to charging multiple electronics at the same time. Also, unlike other competitors, it also charges them fast. This is very portable because after you're done using it, you can just fold it up and stick it in your travel case. One feature that I love is that it folds up into this nice little cube and it makes for charging everything very nice and looks clean. The third product they sent me is a 2-meter Type-C cable. This thing is a tank when it comes to charging my iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at the same time. And I can do it using the Unravel. It basically charges them in just 2 hours. It's also great if you're trying to send pictures or transfer videos. It's also really long. The last product is a 65-watt power brick. This thing wraps it all together and supplies the juice needed to power everything. It is made with high-quality materials so you can have it for years. It also offers a USB-C port and a USB-A. I just want to give a big thanks to Ampere for sending me all of this. Ampere is a great company with great morals too. Also, most of the products I've shown in this video are made from recycled ocean plastic. So guys, please check them out with the links below. Also, they're having a huge sale. The end price of everything I've shown in the video is $186. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you next time.